How to add horizontal bullet points in Google Docs. So let's start with the video, guys, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay, guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs. So for horizontal bullet points, we need to use the table options. Okay, so let me insert the table first. Go to the insert, go to the table, and select that. Okay, how many bullet points you need? If you need 4 bullet points, then you select that 4 cell and just click. Then this table will be inserted like this. Now select all table and make the line center. Now you can tab your bullet points text. Now again select that all table and go to the bullet points and click on that. Okay, so now you can see the all bullet point has been done. If you want a different style of bullet points for every text, then you can make it like, just click on at first of text and select, just click the down arrow and select your style. So I just select this one. Again go to the next, select your style. Again go to the next, select your style, and again. Okay, so this is for if you want different bullet points for every text. Okay, now what you need to do, just select the all table, right click on it, go to the table options, and under the color, go to the table border, make it white, or you can make it 0 pt, and cell also white. Now you can see the bullet point now it looks like horizontal. Table are still there, we make just table border white, which is matched to the background. And if you have different background, okay, let me show you. Okay, if you have different background and you don't find that color, then you can simply make this 0 pt. This also invisible your borders. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.